Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of Phuket. We're dressed in our swimming suits and ready to hit the beach, but we do have some sad news. Nice and sunny. We've already booked a tour and they're going to be picking us up in about 13 minutes. Not really sure how this is going to go. Maybe it'll clear up by the time we go to the islands. Going to 4 different islands around Phuket on a boat from 8:30 to around 4:30 or 5. Gonna give us some breakfast, then we're gonna have a buffet lunch on the boat. We made it to the tour place by bus. Hi. I've never heard that one before. We're just waiting for the boat to come and get us. Currently in this little shop. They had coffee here, but I didn't try it. She did though. The bus ride here was probably about 30 minutes. So it's still raining too. Maybe it'll stop. On the bus. Yes. This is our home for the next several hours. Maybe. Let me see. Mom is getting all the snacks, guys. What is that?
Cracker.
Review of the snacks. This is sort of like a Ritz cracker. It might honestly be. I'm not sure if they have Ritz here in Thailand. Do they? Ritz? Yeah. And then the inside is a coconut filling. And there's no shreddings of coconut because I don't like that, but I like the flavor of coconut. Very tasty. We're going to that island right there for our first stop. What do you want to say? You're looking like you want to say something. She doesn't want to say anything. There it is. We're so close. Super excited. We're going canoeing for the first thing, and we're in Group A. So we'll be going out shortly into the water. Feeling excited. About to get on the canoe now and go paddling in the caves.
Okay, he said it's safe. Okay.
Canoeing.
Claire.
We're going in there. Canoe. Oh my goodness, this looks so narrow. Lay down now. That was a very narrow ride, but there's some mangrove trees up here. That little area right there is where we're going to be going back in just a few minutes. In the water. The water is so clear too. I'm gonna flip you around and show you. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Is over back on the boat with this handy dandy camera, and the smells on here smells so good. I think we're going to be having lunch soon, at least I hope so, because the smells very good.
Did you explain how you have to sit on the canoe?
No, I didn't.
Almost flat.
Yeah, so from the clips I got, you could probably tell it was really, really narrow where we were in the canoe going through the cave. I'm not kidding. Our heads were maybe this far apart from the ceiling at some points, so we had to lay completely flat, and we had a canoe guide that was doing all the hard work, so we just sat back, laid down, and relaxed. Well, it's officially raining once again. Back at the canoeing again. This time a little more rainy, but it's not as bad as it was because we were in the second group, so it has died down a little bit. This rock looks kind of like a turtle. See the shell and the head. It's munching on another rock. A waterfall. We're on the ground now. Our boat. Those are other tour boats that are here. The brown one is ours. Long Island is next. Setting up line. This is lunch today. Got some fried rice and onion rings. Mom got some tom yum. She has a much more colorful plate because she's not as picky as me. So she's got fish, chicken wings, vegetables. She has a well-balanced plate. Want to go up front? This is our taxi to the island. We're at stop number 3, James Bond Island. And is James Bond a spy? Is that a spy movie? I've never seen it before, so I honestly have no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah, but normally it's called Kautapu, not James Bond. They call that because of they're filming James Bond.
Yeah, but
that's why they changed the name.
A spy movie.
It's a Hollywood movie. Yeah, James Bond, he's a spy.
Okay, so I did get that right. But that's all I know.
He's more than a spy.
An undercover guy, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's my knowledge of James Bond. because that was way before my time. This was her time. I'm not that old. Long-tail boat, taxi style. Locals, because the boats, our big one, can't get over there. First steps on the island. You can see there's a giant rock. James Bond Rock. We're gonna go up to this little hiking area and get a better vantage point of the views and everything. This area is very, very touristy. Lots of people here. I think it's more of a tourist trap to be honest, but that's okay. Okay, here's some more information for you guys that is much better than what I have. Apparently, it was one of the locations for the filming. That looks like maybe Mr. James Bond is my best guess. James Bond. Don't know who that is. Ooh, nice views.
Who's gonna take it for us?
We got about 100 pictures with the rock, so I think we are all settled for that sightseeing photography session. That was really all the island was take pictures at different angles with the rock. Kind of unimpressed with it. It's still neat to see and everything, but it is certainly a tourist trap. There's people everywhere. So I would recommend going to other islands if you can. Unless you're a James Bond fan and actually know things about the movie, it might be worth seeing. We only have a few more minutes till we have to board back on the boat. So we'll see ya in a little bit. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, crowded land.
One time is enough.
Yeah, never again. Our last stop is the beach. Super muddy from where it's been raining all day, so we're not going to be going in the water. Instead, we're just going to probably lay out on the beach for a little bit. We have a total of 40 minutes here, and it's our last stop, and then we'll go back to where we started this morning, and then get on the bus to go to the hotel. Our boat, it's a little bit muddy, like they told us. And if you can see those lines, that's where the water normally is. But today the water is very low, about 3 meters lower than normal. Look at the cacti cascading up the rocks. My mom's getting a mosquito bite, everybody. Look at that. Look at that. She killed a mosquito.
Oh my goodness.
Yikes.
Oh, they're fighting.
Called Shell Island. Are you sure it's not called Shell Island? Are you sure? I thought that was pretty good. The way back. And the sun is finally out. Getting some things from the 7-Eleven vending machine. Mom got a Thai dessert, unknown. She's having some issues with the money thing. And then I'm getting a chocolate lava cake. Should be very good. I know, and that's our dinner because it's currently 7:23 at night. Ooh. Ooh, look at how fancy.
What is it?
There it is.
Oh.
Update, getting just a regular chocolate lava cake. It says it's recommended. There's the change.
Just wait. You go give your product first.
Look at that. Woo! Green light. Wait. Oh, okay. There it is. We just melted this in the microwave. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's give it a try from the vending machine. Tastes like chocolate. All is well.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. You want to try? Mm. You can see there's chocolate inside. Haven't had chocolate in a long time.
Where?
It's been about 2 days.
No, you have chocolate yesterday.
What?
Dumbo.
What did I have?
You forgot your fancy chocolate?
Oh, yeah. I haven't had chocolate since yesterday.